Hi, there are two parts in this video. The first part explains how to bisect a line, and the second part explains how to find the center of rotation. It's good to go through the whole part of the video so that you have a full knowledge of it. Hi, this video shows how to bisect a line. I'm doing this online right now, so if you want access to this particular platform, go to www.mathspad, that's mathspad.co.uk. mathspad.co.uk. First thing we want to do is to choose a line segment. So let's go ahead and do that. Next, we want to choose a compass and then use that to bisect this line. Now, you put the pointed end over there and then try to bring the pencil part so that it crosses as much as possible more than half of the line. Now, if you draw an arc at the left hand side, you go ahead and draw an arc also on the right hand side. Okay, so let's try to do that. So for this side also, you do the same thing. If you're going to draw, bring your cursor to the black handle of the compass so that, because that's the point where it actually gets it to rotate and write, okay? And then drag the pointed end to the other end of the line and then bring the pencil now so that it could cross the earlier arc you've drawn on one side, take it to the other side and do just the same thing. We're done using the compass. What we want to do is to draw a straight line to show the bisection. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Just draw a straight line from there towards that. It kind of snaps into place, yeah, so that it makes you easy to know that you've actually crossed that point. And there's our bisection, okay? I'm not going to do more of this because I really need you to understand bisection for what I'm going to do next. All right? If you didn't understand that, just rewind the video and watch it once more. All right? Next, we want to go into what actually we want to do, which is rotation. I want to show how to find the center of rotation when you already have the object and the image. If you recall, in the first two videos, I reiterated that the three things that are needed to fully describe rotation are the center of rotation, the angle through which it rotates, and the direction of rotation. That is, whether it's anti-clockwise or clockwise. Okay, so in this case, we are not looking at the direction. Of course, it's something that could easily be figured out. Here's how to find the center of rotation when the object and the image has been given. Bisect two corresponding points. As far as these two triangles are concerned, points C and E are corresponding, which means point C, after rotation about the center, is what gave point E. So they correspond. What we do is to pick up the perpendicular bisector, choose 2 points, and it automatically shows us the bisection line. And we do the same thing for 2 other corresponding points. We go ahead and then choose point D and point F, and you have the other corresponding line. The point where they meet is right there in the middle, and that point is the center of rotation. That point is the center of rotation. That's the origin right there. Okay, we're going to take another example. Okay, now this is a different example. The triangle CBD has been rotated about a particular center to give you the triangle EFG. How do we locate the center? Again, all you need to do is to bisect corresponding points. We know that C and G correspond, so we look at C and G, and then you see the line that joins both points. And next we choose maybe D and E, because D and E corresponds. So let's choose D and E, and then we look at the line. You can see that we have the bisector of the line. The point where they meet is right there in the middle. Let me choose that point right there. That's the point H. That point right there is the center of our rotation. Just to be sure, let's do the third one, and then you see if it's actually going to pass through that point. Okay, perpendicular bisector, we're looking at B and F right now. So let's go ahead and look at B and F. As you can see, the bisector also passes through the point H. So the center of our rotation is point H. Just a recap. If you want to find the center of rotation, what you need to do is to look at corresponding points. So you pick the two corresponding points, bisect the line that joins the two corresponding points, and then pick another two, bisect the line that joins the two corresponding points. The two bisections will meet at the center of rotation. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and to subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.